So guys, a lot of us we are not able to win anything at in Bet88U. And if you are one of them, I believe you should watch this video till the end because I'm going to teach you on how to do it now. Yes, I have a secret method that have worked for me and I know it will work for you. If you have registered before and you have not won anything and your time keep on expiring, then I have something for you that will favor you. You understand? And also, I'll also show you on how to download the app. A lot of us don't know how to download the app. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. If it is the first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, be first to get to know about it. Hello, my name is Nkiruka Franca Omoha. So I'm Coach Nikki. Everything we teach here is all about money making. Everything I do online to make money. The secret, the nook and cranny of areas that I make my own money is what I'm going to teach you here. This is not a clickbait channel and I'm not going to do anything that will tarnish my image in this channel. So do well to subscribe. Thank you. So let's dive into the video because the video we are going to talk about today needs to needs a lot of practical, which I know it will favor most of you guys. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So guys, all you have to do is first of all, you come to your if you are still having BET88U app, all you have to do is go to your settings, your phone settings. So go to your phone settings, go to apps, click that BET88U. Just click it. Let's let's look for okay. Let's say this one is BET88U. You see where they wrote storage and cache. Click it. You clear your cache, clear your storage, then you go back. Do the same for Chrome browser that you any browser that you are using. If you are using Chrome browser, do the same, but I'm not deleting my storage. No, I'm not deleting it. All you have to do is only to clear the cache. You go back, then minimize and go to your Chrome browser. Then click these three dots up here, click history, then click delete browser data. If you have been using it for past 7 days, please, this place you see they wrote last hour, this place, this place, please click it and put it in 7 days. If it is last 4 weeks, put it. If it is all the time, just put it. You understand? Once you put it, you clear it. You understand? You, once you put it in that last 7 days or any of the time, then you come here and delete. You delete it, everything will clear. You understand? Then, but before you clear this history, make sure you log out from the website too. Log out from the app too before uninstalling. Log out from the Chrome first, from the Chrome before clearing the history. You understand? Then you go back, go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download this app via browser. Just type via browser. Once you tap it, you copy the link on my description section or on comment section. Copy it and come here. Copy it and come here. Then you click these three dots, these three dash here. Click it. You scroll. Okay. You will see where they wrote user agent. User agent. Click it. If it is a phone that you are using, just click Android. If it is Android that you are using, click iPhone or Windows, anyone. Just be smart enough about it. Then come here and paste that link. Once you paste it, register with another email and password, email that you remember. If you don't have extra email, forge the email, they don't check it, you understand. Forge the email and register. Once you register, go and do your tax. SAP, ASAP, do your tax. That must pin, you click must pin, they will do this thing. They will give you, what's it called, if you click this must pin, they will give you this. You understand? I have not downloaded my app, I'll still download it. You just do it. If you have not joined their Telegram group before, join it. Log in, share, install the app. Once you install it, just log in, do what you're supposed to do there, claim your one spin, and then log out immediately and uninstall the app, because we are only using the website. You are only using the website, you understand. So all you have to do is to leave it. Don't use this thing immediately. Don't use it immediately. Make sure it have stayed for hours, then you come back and spin. See, you see how this thing is running. You see how where this red arrow is. Once it crosses the first zero, the second zero, you spin immediately, so that it will not land you in what a pity. You understand? Or once it comes to this thing, you spin. You get? So this strategy that I've been using that is working for me, and I know it will work for you. For those that say that they don't know how to download the app, or yeah, click it, you download, click claim, say save to download, you are downloading it, then you come to download session, you will see it, click it. I don't know, because I have share they might use another app. Just click once, install. After installing, you go and log in. Nothing much. You go and log in. If you are using iphone sorry if you are using iphone, you cannot download. If you are using iphone, you cannot download. Sorry to say this, but if you are using iphone, you cannot download. Just leave it like that. You get? So that's all I have for now. Please kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.